Introduction to Workflow Builder in Slack.
Workflow Builder lets you automate tasks and updates in Slack, making teamwork smoother and faster. Whether it's daily reminders, status check-ins, or announcements, Workflow Builder helps you set up processes without any coding. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create automatic notifications and routine updates, saving time and ensuring everyone stays informed.
Getting started. Accessing Workflow Builder.
To begin, open Slack on your desktop. Click your workspace name in the top left, choose Tools, then select Workflow Builder. This brings up the interface where you can create, customize, and manage your workflows. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to build or edit workflows in your workspace.
Creating a new workflow for updates.
Click Create to start a new workflow. Give your workflow a clear name like Daily Team Update. Next, choose how the workflow will be triggered. For routine updates, select Schedule Date and Time. Set your chosen frequency, for example, every weekday at 9 a.m., to ensure your updates go out consistently.
Adding automated notifications.
After setting up your trigger, add a Send a Message step. Pick the channel or person who should receive the notification. Type your update message, such as a daily agenda prompt or project reminder. You can use dynamic fields to personalize messages, making updates relevant and engaging for your team.
Testing and activating your workflow.
Once you've built your workflow, review all the details to make sure everything is correct. Click Publish to activate it. You can run a test by changing the scheduled time or using a manual trigger to see how the update will appear. If you need changes, you can always edit or pause the workflow in Workflow Builder.
Tips for effective automated updates.
Keep your automated messages clear and concise, and avoid overloading channels with too many notifications. Use workflows for meeting reminders, deadline alerts, or feedback prompts. Monitor your team's response and adjust the workflow as needed to fit your group's needs. With Workflow Builder, you can make routine updates effortless and consistent.